Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, November 12th, and I have another live trading video from Trader Jim. This video actually includes Monday, November 11th, and today, November 12th. In this video, Jim shows Heiken Ashi bars, and Heiken Ashi bars don't form like regular bars. Sometimes it appears as if they're not moving, but if you look at the BWT Trade Manager, you can see the actual prices that are going off in the time and sales and on the bid and ask. Another reference was to the 987 Heiken Ashi tick chart with the NASDAQ, and I want to just bring over today's chart on the 987 and show you. So this is our template for the 987 tick, and here's the performance today. I think Jim might have a little bit different sensitivity than I have. I use a sensitivity of 1 on this one. On the trade management, the goal is 500, just trading one contract, profit target of 100 ticks, and here's what it did in our live simulation. So pretty good at catching the moves here on the 987 Heiken Ashi chart. Let's have a look at yesterday and today's live trading from Trader Jim.
November 11th, this is after market close. I was actually out all day. I left 2 charts running. This one is a $750 target, $550 stop, daily open range filter. Now, there was no short on the open because there were just too many red bars. The templates limits as to how many red bars you can have without a retracement. Then finally did take a short trade and it stopped out. Price traded above the open range, and then there was a long, and this long brought us back up to positive 197, and then blue bars continued, so there was another long, and the trade stopped at 230 because this template has an exit time of 230. And, well, not too bad. Did not hit its target, but remember, again, trading just one contract. This is not bad at all. Let me just show the text. Here is the text. So basically 3 trades, a loser and 2 winners. Short of the daily target, but respectable, I think, considering only trading one contract. It's a bit squished up over here, but you can basically see the trades. Okay, and the second chart is the 987 Heiken Ashi chart that Randy had the other day. This one has a $500 target and stop, trading 2 contracts. I'm sorry, trading one contract. Trading just one contract, that's right. I left just one contract on both charts running. So as soon as bars turned blue, there was this just one beautiful long trade which hit the daily target. Minus commissions. Let me show the text again. So just one beautiful long trade. 987 Heiken Ashi chart does not disappoint today. Randy mentioned that this time frame is really effective at kind of identifying trends, and today definitely worked. Just waited for the long and just a beautiful single trade all the way up to hitting its target of 500 on just one contract, which I think is very impressive. So I am not going to email Randy this video because it's basically just a recap. There was no actual recording of a trade, so I will simply attach it to tomorrow's video, and I guess it's going to be 2 days in one. November 12th. Okay, so let's see. Yesterday they tested again and formed up on 8207, which brought them up to 82.55, a number that those two numbers have been talking about it for a few days now. Firming up on 07 leads to 55. Now, overnight, they got up to 74.50. So what I can say is this. Trading above 55 brings 8,300 into the picture. But if they break below 82.55, then they might need to test 82.30 and then possibly even 82.07, but that's really not necessary. So what I'm not sure of is if they need to test the 82.30. So I might actually leave longs and shorts working today because of this possible direction to either way. So again, above 55 and we're going to 8,300, below 55 and we need to test 30 before then firming up on 30 and going to 8,300. I am fairly sure about the 8,300. I'm just not sure how they're going to get there. So I'm going to leave longs and shorts running on two templates, two funded accounts. Again, I am not doing combine yet. It's going to be another busy day for me. I am going to have to leave maybe a bit after 11 o'clock and then maybe come back at 2. So maybe I trade funded accounts in the morning and then the combine in the afternoon if opportunity presents itself. We're about to open. So this is the 500 tick filtered by the daily open range. Again, trading one contract. Just don't want to do more than this right now. This is a bit of a tricky area. There could be a lot of back and forth. So I'm just going to keep it at one contract. And as you've seen from the clip from yesterday's video, is that you can still make decent profits trading just one contract. The auto trader has this ability. Okay, here's the open range. So as you can see, I am now on both, and that's where we're opening up. So below 55 would be a legitimate short. So we have a trade. It is a short. So now we just need to stay below 55 for the trade to work. Okay, so now there is a long because we closed above the open range filter. So the other trader got out of the short and took a long because both are clicked. And there is another short on another chart. This is the 987 Heiken Ashi chart. And I waited for the price to get a bit closer to the volatility stop, which is just a great place to take a short. It has the least amount of risk in it. And as you can see here, the longs are clicked as well. So if we close above the volatility stop, there's going to be a long trade. Well, continue to push higher toward that overnight high. Target there is around 80. It's going to be tough to get there, but if they are strong, they will. I put my stop at break even, just in case they fail here again, like they did overnight. There was no reason to take a loss on a decent trade. Sorry guys, I had to step away. So obviously this was a winning trade all the way from this long over here after taking a small loss on a short. The other trader took a long, which hit over here, and then upon the resumption of the blue bars, there was another long. I'm gonna put my stop at break even. You know, these are all-time highs, and no reason to take a loss. Let's take a look at the other account traded. So this one is trailing. Still down for the day, but trailing. Continuing to push higher. We are at 91. So I'm trading two charts here right now. It's slightly higher for hit the target over here. I am at break even. I'm trying another move higher. I'm gonna trail by 50% now. As you can see, I unclick the longs. If I am being taken out, I'll just wait. These are very high numbers. Not to say they can't go another 20 points higher. But I would want a retracement first, and if they don't give it to me, they just stop me out and turn around and go to 83.10, that's fine. I'm gonna tighten up on this one as well. Gonna unclick everything for now. If I am taken out, because I do have to leave in less than an hour, so if I am taken out, I'll just wait. See what the other one is doing. Well, the other one is really close to that target. Gonna get closer, because this one is in a negative. I don't wanna be in a negative. I know, silly, right? All right, well, here it is. This one is out at $400. And the other one is still trying to survive. By the way, if you're wondering why the price here moves so funny, it's because of the way the bar is formed. This is a Heiken Ashi bar, not a regular bar. And so the way it is formed sometimes makes the price on the chart look funny, like it's not moving, and then it moves a lot all at the same time. Right, I don't know how much longer I can stay here. I do have to leave. Just a few minutes. At this point, I'm hoping they'll just take me out here. Okay, well, I am out over here. Perfect, I gotta run. So I am positive, So look, not very impressive numbers, right? So 172 and where is it? And 400. But the fact is, remember, trading just one contract. Trading one contract, being up over 500 is not really so bad. So I do have to leave. I hope to come back in afternoon in time for possibly one trade. I do want to start trading the step 2 of the 100K top step combine. Just haven't been able to get to it. Way too busy. So, all right, hopefully be able to trade in the afternoon. Okay, well, just came home. Loaded up the combine finally. Step 2. Took a while to get here. $500, nice and small, $500 stop and target, 2 contracts. Sales. Here it is. So we have, less than 2 hours to trade. So I hope to make the most of it. The filter is all the way down there, so I'm not concerned. We definitely be along as soon as precision trend is broken for a possible retest of that 8,300. All right, so here is the long. I think we should reach these targets, not really an issue. Interesting, came all the way back to the open range here. I think I showed the template, right? $500 stop and target. No, sorry. Got the time and sales on a different monitor.
certainly given the fact that they.
Okay, well, stopped me out. It was a good location right above the daily open range, legitimate trade. We were trading above 55, but failed and broke through. And I'm gonna stop here. I'm not gonna keep trading this. This is the combine, step two, and I'm starting step two with a $500 loss. And these things happen. Okay, tough start for step two. It's all right. Tomorrow is another day.